Are you an avid angler looking to up your fishing game? Then a fishfinder GPS combo might just be what you need. There is an abundance of fishfinder GPS combos on the market. It's difficult to filter through them and find which ones are worth your time. But fear not, as we have got you covered. In this video, we will guide you on how to choose your next fishfinder GPS combo, so that you can make an informed decision and catch more fish. So, watch on to discover the best fishfinder GPS combos and the factors to consider when choosing one. Number 1. Lowrance Elite FS7 Fishfinder GPS Combo. The Lowrance Elite Fishfinder GPS combos are designed to allow easy upgrades to the entire lineup of Lowrance tools. You can integrate full control of power pole anchors and ghost trolling motors. The setup on this unit can be a bit tricky. That's the most common feedback given. The ease of use once connected has been good, but occasional issues with my transducer were a problem until I realized I installed it wrong. Discounting user error, it has been a very reliable, solidly built unit. The included transducer offers down imaging, side imaging, and active imaging sonar capabilities. It does come with 8,900 inland lakes and coastal shoreline areas preloaded with 1 increments. Detailed contours are excellent, and the details on the screen are superb. I really like the optional feature that detailed fish around cover at the bottom of a reservoir I frequent. Number 2. Garmin Striker 7 SV Fishfinder GPS Combo. Look no further if you want excellent sonar, bright, easily identifiable display, and custom mapping. The Garmin Striker 7 SV fish finders give you so many features found in a top-of-the-line combo for under $500 that if you're budget-minded, it's a no-brainer. It's a great, easy-to-use, easy-to-install unit. Built-in Wi-Fi allows you to connect to the Active Captain feature. The Active Captain feature is an app that you can download to the Garmin Striker fish finder. It enables you to receive calls, emails, and texts on your display instead of having to access your phone while piloting the boat or fishing. The best part of this fish finder combo is its ease of use. The Quick Draw feature lets you create maps with 1-foot contour lines without having to be a software engineer to figure it out. The only thing you're to do is turn it on, and these fish finders take care of the rest. Number 3. Deeper Smart Sonar Pro Plus 2 Fishfinder GPS Combo. The Deeper Pro Plus Fish Finder claims to be the only portable, castable combo on the market that can create bathymetric maps from shore. I was able to see the feature in action, though not use it myself. A fellow angler reviewed this device for me and rated it a solid 5 stars. He was able to map his exact locations with ease and mark fish. He claimed it improved his shore fishing twofold. I know him well, and that's a bold statement. This one is certainly one of the best fish finder GPS combos because of its versatility compared to traditional fish finders. The Deeper Pro Plus can be used for ice fishing, kayak fishing, shore fishing, and of course, from onboard a vessel. Overall, this is the Fishfinder GPS combo every shore angler has been wishing for. It's going to show them what they're really casting into and how they should adjust that retrieve. Number 4. Lowrance Hook Reveal 5 Fishfinder GPS Combo. The Hook Reveal 5 Fishfinder GPS combos are a fantastic option that provides the ability to scan in both 3D and 2D modes. You can get a depth capability of up to 1,000 feet, 304.8 meters, in 2D and 3D at 300 feet, 91.44 meters. The dual spectrum chirp sonar is incredibly accurate and delivers crisp, high-definition images that are displayed on the 5-inch display. The Lowrance Hook Reveal 5 Fish Finder is very budget-friendly and has been upgraded to Lowrance's latest dual spectrum chirp sonar technology to provide the most accurate images possible at this price point. You can scroll back through previous sonar readings to ensure the settings are correct. The navigation on the screen isn't quite as user-friendly as other models. In addition, it does lack some features that more expensive models take for granted, but it is a fantastic choice for an entry-level fish finder GPS combo. Number 5. Garmin EchoMap UHD 63CV Fishfinder GPS Combo. The screen is super bright, so it's easy to see in the bright summer sun, and it's easy for old eyes to read on the 6-inch screen. The sonar provides a very clear image, defining cover, vegetation, pilings, and all those fish hanging out trying to hide from us. The device comes preloaded with Garmin's patented Lake View G3 inland maps data. It covers over 17,000 inland lakes with well-defined detail. The device can also be removed fast using the quick-release bail mount. The MIA 2000 and MIA 0183 network connects to your engine, providing autopilot integration, audio link, and more. It's an overall great system and will leave you glad you spent the money. For the same price as this Garmin EchoMap, you can get the Garmin Striker GPS Fish Finder combo, which I found to be a little more user-friendly, but it really depends on your personal preferences. Please like, comment, share and subscribe and hit the bell notification. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one, and we hope you like this video. If you want to know the product price, do check out the description box. Thanks for watching.